Want to close your Total Wireless account? It's a straightforward process. First, understand the difference between deleting your account and just removing a phone line. Deleting your account closes your entire profile. Before you start, make sure to cancel all individual phone lines associated with your account. You can do this through the Total Wireless app, website, or by calling 1-866-684-7922. Ensure all balances are paid off, including any early termination fees if applicable, which can be up to $150 per line if you're on a contract. If you leased a device, you'll need to return it to avoid additional charges. Account deletion can be initiated via the Total Wireless app or website by navigating to the Close Account section. This enhanced online portal reduces the need to call customer service. Once initiated, expect the process to take 24 to 48 hours online. If you opt to do so via phone, it may take 5 to 7 days. Account deletion is permanent and may affect future eligibility for Total Wireless services. As of October 2025, Total Wireless has enhanced online account management tools due to Verizon influence. Ensure clear consent for data deletion. Total Wireless complies with FCC guidelines, wiping user data within 30 days of closure. Be aware of potential early termination fees and device return policies. Recent trends show an increase in account deletions due to users switching to cheaper providers or Verizon's own plans. Deleting through the app is becoming increasingly common, and AI chatbots are expected to handle more queries in the future. Account closures are increasing about 15 to 20% from 2024 to 2025.